Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are keeping on Utando Nestembo. As we know, Bana, since the introduction of number 5, things has been up and down in like wish, left, right and center, pick and pay, kick and bobos and yo. Like his mixture, his north, his west, his south, his east, everything has been upside down. Musamseleko ended up in hospital. Umakwela number 5 was denied entry. We can see lana umayeni posting ukubana location sekase oshabela, like meaning ukubana she has gone back to her homestead where she comes from, at her father's house okanye it's her father's village okanye, yeah, because we know ukubana uMangwabe had said ukubana naye xa kufika number 5, please don't involve me, like I want out. If you marry another wife, count me out in all of those things. Like akasayingeni nje umbali indaba yomtshato wakhe, like even when they are having meetings and ceremonies, she's just there like quiet, like umbali, she's literally just there in person. You can see naye uMakhumalo ukubana hayi akasawubamba umshini uMakhumalo, naye umseleko uzama ukumhlalisa phansi ukuthi uyalwa sisi, like uyalwa ngamandla akho wonke, like within your whole DNA, that's how much you are fighting. Like the way she attacked uMakhumalo ngendaba ye-voice note ukubana kwathi kuphela nje i-theme song kwathiwa uyithumele noma uyithumelanga i-voice note. So nje they've been fighting nje, like there's no peace, there is no peace ekwamseleko homestead. Like ayi uMakhwela nkosi yami akazanga nokuhle qha, like sebefike ekufikeleleni, like now umayeni is attacking uMacele ukubana like sekamupha bombastic side ukubana abantu they are claiming ukubana ngomamkhulu, kanti no, they are actually not. So from what we know ukubana uMacele, like at the beginning she had left because Umseleko had suggested. That's when Umseleko brought they had broken up, and then Umseleko married Umayeni, and then uMacele came back, and then yeah, kwaba yiswishy-wishy nje. So technically Umayeni is supposed to be wife number 1 because she was the one who was married before uMacele was married. I think uMacele left because she was mad ukubana njani uza kuletha omunye umuntu mna was still you haven't fully paid my lobola and then you marry someone njani kaloko. So she had left before all this nyaka yoMangwabe noMakhumalo and all this stuff. So technically uMayeni is supposed to be wife number 1. So nje banokuyishanyelela phansi nje ukubana no, uMacele, she is mamkhulu because she was there before but she had left. So nje kuyaluyiwa nje nkosi yami. So we know ukubana uMbali has left and uMayeni naye she's posting videos afisela abantu i-weekend emnandi, ababuza ukuthi I hope they are having a great weekend, because she's definitely is akwashabeli, which is her homestead. Here she left, is she living for good? But deep down I think uMayeni, mna from ecaleni lami ukubana she actually loves uMayeni. She actually loves uMayeni. So yeah, she left okanye she just decided to go just to cool down. Umnini ngosi yami, I know, no ways, she mustn't do that kumnini. Like umnini will never recover from that nkosi yami. She must just stick it. Kwamele abe yilezi mbokodo lezi zokubana I am staying here, ngihlalele ingane zami. She must be one of those women. Hayibo, cabanga uMayeni sekasuka emtshadweni nkosi yami. No ways. I think she needs to stay. let's hope she just went to cool things down and allow the breeze, and she must just come back. Let me know what do you guys think. Let me know what do you guys think. Hey, she left for good. Don't forget to like